All right, stats, welcome to a chapters 6 and 8 additional examples here video. This is what we did the other day in class. This is going to look very similar to your chapters 6 and 8 in class assignment. All right, number 1, 1,409 female adults aged 25 to 49 were surveyed and asked about their favorite movie on the Hallmark Channel. What is the sample and then the population that this sample will be used to analyze? Well, the sample is the 1,409 adults, females, 25 to 49 that were actually surveyed. The population then would be all females aged 25 to 49. In a certain town, all adults aged 18 and older were called and surveyed about their political leanings. Of the almost 9,000 that are in that age, 4,945 responded to the calls. What is the sample and the population that this sample would be used to analyze? And what is the rate of non-response? So the sample is the 4,945 that actually responded to the calls. Again, adults aged 18 plus. The population is all the adults aged 18 plus in this town. If you said the actual number, 8912, that's not wrong. Rate of non-response is, first off, how many people didn't respond. That's how many people were surveyed, minus how many people responded. 3,967 non-responses, so find the rate. 3,967 divided by how many were actually contacted, and that rate of non-response is 445. All right, so this is using Table B here. There are 83 students in your high school junior class, and you wish to sample 8 of them. Order them alphabetically. Use line 105 in Table B to randomly find your sample. State the students that you pick. 83 is a 2-digit number, and so that's why we're going 01 to 83. Using line 105. Using line 105. Let's get really close here. So line 105 here, the first one is 95. That's too big. Then you have 59. That works. Then you have 29. That works. Then 40. That works. 07. That works. Again, because they're between 01 and 83. Then you have 69. That works. 97 is too big. Then you have 19. That works. Then how far are we going here? Then you have 14. That works. Then you have 81. That also works too, because it's less than 83. Again, that's how we read it. There's a video on Chapter 8 online as well. All right, so 30 teams in Major League Baseball. You're going to choose a sample 5 of their presidents of baseball operations. Survey them about the use of analytics in their organization. Here's a list of 30 teams. You're allowed to, say you get a question like this tomorrow, order them however you want. Just make it known, like 01 to 06, 07 to 12, fine. You can go 01 to 05, 06 to 10, whatever you want. Just let me know for sure. I have 30 teams, so I'm going to order them 01 to 30, and I'm picking 5 of them. Line 120. Line 120. So right here for 120, 35 too big, 47 too big, 65 too big, 59 too big, 72 too big, 39 too big, 42 too big. First one I get is 16. 58 too big, 50 too big, 04 is a winner, 26 is a winner, 63 too big, 54 is too big. I need to move this over. 35 is too big, 43 too big, 74 too big, and 21 works. As does 19, 37 is too big. If I finish the line, I need to go down to the other line. 71 too big, 48 too big, 70 too big, 99 too big, 84 too big. 29 is a winner, and I think that is it. All right. And then Team 16, that's an actual team. That's the Rays. Team 4 is the Yankees. And you give them their actual names. Team 26 is the Nationals. Team 19 is the Giants. Team 29, the Pirates. Sorry, Team 19, the Pirates. Team 29 is the Indians. And the last one here, adults 30 years and older in a certain town were asked about their highest education that they have received. Below is a two-way table of the results by sex, male, female. Here, first off, add up. There's 402 males. There's 427 females. That's 529 individuals. That answers A and B. What percent of males have earned a bachelor degrees or higher? And the same question to females. So a bachelor's or higher would be bachelor's, master's, PhD for both genders there. So for male, there's 192 divided by 402 of them. And then for females, there's 217 of the 417 of them. Okay, 427 of them, I'm sorry. So then D says, what percent of males have earned lower than an associate's? Well, lower than an associate's would be these two for both. So it asks what percent. Well, it says percent, so it actually should make it into a percent. So for like 49, I made a mistake there, 49.3%. Then for females, it would be 52.0%. All right, so if it says percent, turn it into a percent, unlike what I did. If it says what proportion, then leave it as a proportion, which I initially did. So I'm going to correct that. Again, you have plenty of time to do this tomorrow. So lower than associates, 129 plus 18 divided by the 402 men there are. Less than associates for the ladies, 9 plus 137 divided by the 427 of them. This is for that one up top. And then overall, what percent of this adult population has at least a bachelor's, then at least an associate's? That's how many men have at least a bachelor's. That's how many women, divided by 529 of them, so basically 50%. At least an associate's, at least a two-year degree. Overall, how many have at least a college degree? That is men with an associate. That is females with an associate's. And that is the overall percentage. All right, so this is what we did one of the days last week, and this is going to be very important for your in-class assignment. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.